Hello my sunshines. My recipe today is Bacalao Salad, Cod Fish Salad. My oldest daughter and my husband, this is one of their favorites. Stay right there and please join me. Thank you. These are the ingredients needed for this Bacalao Salad. You'll need 2 packages of 12-ounce packages of bone salt cod fish fillet, 5 eggs, 4 sprigs of thyme, 1 package of Sazon, 4 bay leaves, a half a teaspoon of Old Bay, a half a cup of homemade Sofrito, 1 onion, 5 potatoes, and you'll need some garlic oil. The bacalao fish is now, I washed off all the salt, and now I'm going to soak it in cold water for 1/2 hour. While the bacalao fish is soaking, I put on the 5 potatoes and let them boil until they get done. Also, I have the 5 eggs on to boil until they're hard boiled. Fish was soaked for a 1/2 hour, and after it was soaked and it was rinsed off, and then I added 8 cups of water to the fish, and I turned it to a medium flame, and then we're going to begin to add our ingredients. Okay, I sliced up some onion and I added that. Now I'm going to add the sprigs of thyme, the homemade Sofrito, the 4 bay leaves, the Old Bay season, and then we're going to add the Sazon. Mix that all up, and then we're going to, like I said, we're going to bring that to a boil. Once it boils, then we're going to cook it for about a 1/2 hour. Okay, it's now boiling. Bring it to a boil, and ooh, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm going to put the cover on, and it should take about another 1/2 hour, 45 minutes to cook up and get all the flavors all mixed together. And I'll see you in a few. Okay, we're gonna cut the potato and cut the potato up as so. And then I'm just gonna repeat all of this for all 5 potatoes. Add the potatoes, then we're gonna add the egg. Okay, to the potatoes are all cut up, and I did a rough cut also to the 5 eggs. It's all mixed together. So now we're just waiting on the bacalao. The bacalao is ready, and I started cutting that up and putting that into the potatoes and the eggs. All the bacalao is now added to the potatoes and the egg, and now it's time to add the garlic oil. Okay, the garlic oil is all added in here and it's mixed up. And when you use the garlic oil, use some of the garlic pieces and get that inside here as well. And you use as much, to your consistency, how you like it, how dry or you know, how you like it, and also do the taste test. I did add more season to it. I added a little more Old Bay and a little bit more salt, and it's ready. And enjoy. Enjoy. Dinner is ready. Enjoy. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please press the subscribe and notification button letting you know my next video. And please join me on my next video. Peace and love to everyone, and have a blessed day. And thank you for watching my video.